Ngayon pala, lalaro tayo ng break a Lucky Block. There's so many players playing this game. I will play this game. Wait, I'm first time in here. So, smash down below. My neighbors are too loud. Wait, I'm new to this game, so wait to load. Wait for it to load. Wait. Hey, hey. Let's go. It loaded. No way. A dragon cannelloni. A dragon cannelloni? That is a dragon cannelloni. No fucking way.
Yeah.
Mantika pila.
Smell.
So my neighbors is too loud. So let's go. Let's kumain. This is like a play. Wait. Okay, oh my god, they got what the? You can get like and join the group. 6-7. Oh my god, they got legendary. A pot hotspot in a 30 guinea then. My god. A lava dragon. Damn. Wait. Dang this game. Wait, I lost thing. Lose thing. Go. Got it. I just got a lost tong secret. I just have a lost tong secret. Nah, I got a secret. No way. I just stolen this guy. Nice. Working out you. Yeah. You're doing a great job giving me a lost. Ooh, and it's making me a fourth challenge. I need all of I can get this thing. Go. Now I'm gonna buy a good pickaxe. Buy Maga beanstalk. A beanstalk? Okay, wait. Come on. It will take me ages to do this. Nah. Wait. Go break the. Ooh, what did they get? A mythic? No, what? Why are you here? Go get the mythic. Go. And nice doing business with you. Go. Nice. You will have that. No! You just give it. Please give it to me. Please give it to me. So, I'm just gonna finish this. Nah! Sammy? No, Sammy. No, Sammy. What? Let me just get a Bombini Gilzine. And I'm gonna run. What? Who get Udin din dun? There it is. I want that Udin din dun. It's just an epic. There's a bombardillo, crocodilo. I hope I make it. I hope I make it. Please. Yes. Make it.
Go! Bombobini Gusini.
Wait. Oh, it's a mythic. It's a mythic. Oh my god, a 6-7 just there. A 6-7 is there. Oh. Wait. Go. I just posted it because somebody is loud. What did they get for them?
Arancini Banani.
Wow.
Strawberry Flamingo Flora.
It's a rainbow. 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 Wait, it's a rainbow. Give me what? Sammy. God bless you, Sammy. Please, can I have this? Please, Sammy, can I have this? Please, Sammy, can I have this? No! It's a galaxy. Oh.
Gangster Boneca Ambalabu. Lirili Larry. Brr Patapim. Pipi Kiwi. Boneca Ambalabu. Lirili Larry. Pipi Kiwi. Gangster Patera.
Bruh. Get yourself a job. I have a medic. Haha. Nice one.
Tricky Drop.
Nah. Speed boy.
Lirili Larry.
There's no using Robux. Boy. Using Robux is kicking good. Now. Isok sa kola, isok sa kola.
Bombobini Gusini.
Let's go. It's good. Let's go. Go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go! Fuck you, Sammy. Go back. I see another invisible block. Wait. That is rare. What is that? Sorry, Sammy.
Galaxy Strawberry Flamingo.
No, Galaxy. Whoa, Galaxy. No way. Galaxy. Run, run. Don't care about. Fuck you, Sammy. Oops. Drop it. Nope. Got it. Run, run, run. Run, run. What I'm talking about. This. Oh, good place. Bombini Gusini. Where is it?
Go! Avocado Brr Patapin. Diamond PPQ. Truly mero, truly.
A secret.
Go! Blurry fluid. Vai, questa menina bombardina.
Not it. Wait. Don't tell me no.
Galaxy. Din.
They're all not.
Galaxy.
Wait. Oh, Mateo. Mateo just spawned. Nah, I cannot get that. Why?
Only man of the fifty drop. Spinning up 3 drop.
Oh, 6-7, 6-7. 6-7, 6-7, 6-7 block. 6-7.
6-7.
6-7.
Go! 6-7.
A gold 6-7. I will take it. I'll take it. Bro, wait, Sammy. No.
Literally Larry.
No, sorry, please, Sammy, please. Please, Sammy. Please, Sammy. Yeah. Thank you, Sammy. I ran fast. Oh my god, that's a pro player. I just got a gold 6-7. I want gold 6-7, not normal 6-7, dude. Wait. Oh my god, look at this thing. Pleasure doing business with you. Woo! Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Bombobini Cusini.
Bombombini Gazini. Get out of my way. Don't arrow.
Literally Larry.
Don't care. Drop it. Go! Revert. Bro, if you revert, you lose all your bring up. That's what is I need? Revert para may suivi ng bombardilo.
Literally Larry. BBG. Luring Flora.
I need a suivi ng bombardilo.
Literally Larry.
Nah. Give bor patapin.
Luring Flora.
Is that even hard? Nah.
Tata Sahur. Kakso Hippopotamo. Rhino Treasury. Creepy Drop. Boneka Ambalabu.
I gotta get that.
Creepy Drop. Literally Larry. Lindun. Tata Sahur. Literally Larry. Literally Larry. Literally Larry. Oh! Cacto Hippopotamo. Cara Mararam. Luring Flora. 3 troppa trippa.
Is that even so hard?
Din dun.
Ah. No, wait. Wait, bro. Go, another one. Don't come at me. I want to revert. I'm dead.
Chef Crabra-Cadabra.
Don't care.
Ta Saku. Creepy Drop. Literally. Carapi. Creepy Drop. Literally. Spinning a bombardino. Literally. Creepy Drop. Spinning a bombardino.
Yes, Vivino! Yes, Vivino. I care about that.
Tampa di Ferro.
La.
Gentlemen, van een ritme troppi. Glory fluid. Glory fluid.
Fluid, fluid.
Tralalero tralala.
Nobody is looking. Nobody is looking. Damn! And you got, and I got, what is this? A rainbow? This good. I just got,
Lirili larila. Gangster
I
Futera.
just got a mythic in an epic blocky rock.
Mateo!
Mateo!
Ritme troppi.
Mateo! It's raining in here. It's raining. Wait, guys, I'm gonna mute. It's raining. Right, I'm not gonna mute.
Lava. Lirili larila. Diamond. Lirili larila. Ritme troppi.
What? Smack that. I on my flow. Smack that. A rainbow mythic. That's good. I want to revert.
PPK Glory Lirili larila. Glory fluid. Glory fluid.
Wait, so lagging. So lagging. Wait. Wait. 6-7? 6-7? Yeah.
Kiwi.
Wow.
Bye, Custai. Cusini.
Bro, I just think. Go get them, not me.
Rainbow! Din. Avocadini tuffo.
Nah. I'm gonna get the Berber Patatin, nigga.
Spinilla bombardino.
Why is Berber Patatin so hard to get?
Spinilla bombardino.
Why?
Ta sacre tu camel. Tum sahur. Orangutini ananasini.
Oi, guys, what I need. So let's go pick it up. I need this bad boy. And I'm gonna pick this up. They are so rare. Let me go and collect them. If they were going to go bye-bye. This old brain nut right here is going to the trash. Goodbye. I lose all my money. Bruh, the fuck. Ooh, how many? I got 2 over there. That's cool. What? Global Portuguese and Tung Sahur. Okay.
Clear Larry.
Tung Sahur.
Flurry Flura.
Ano nga daw? Global Portuguese and
Gangster Potato. Rippi troppi. Clear Larry. Diamond. Flurry Flura.
Don't care.
Clear Larry. Rippi troppi. Clear Larry.
Don't care. I'm so lagging. Wait. I'm so lagging. Fuck, my game is lagging, bro. There is a patat spot. Wait, boneka? Not bad.
Clear Larry.
Tung sahur. Tasahur itu deh. Let me get some medic. Sammy, don't come here. Please don't. Please, Sammy, don't.
Pandaccini bananini.
Don't care.
Prime Rambaitis Diamonds.
Wait.
Rippi troppi.
Nah.
Clear Larry. Flurry Flura.
I'm gonna get that lavaca. Damn. I tried. Mine again. Let me get my...
Flurry Flura.
Oh!
Svinina bomba Flurry Flura.
Wait. Sammy, no! You're so bad. I'm gonna flip top below, cause son is the boat, langaw, the mo, kung imong ulo. Wait. Okay na, guys, okay. Hindi ko na. Hindi ko Sammy. Don't care, Sammy. Okay.
Gangster Potato. Rigo Camelo.
Sahur combinaciones.
Proberelli Flaminghelli.
Don't care. Sammy, no.
Svinina bomba Diamond Maddo.
Said no. Said no. Said no, Sammy. Said no.
Rippi troppi. Pipi kiwi.
Nobody wants this. I want this. Nobody pick it up, so that's what you get if you are Sammy, the fucking Sammy. Oh, nagtanga ra Sammy, wa ko niya nakitaan. Because I hate Sammy. Oy, tralalero, tralalulu. Oy, tralalero, tralala. Yeah. Tralalu. Nah, No, Sammy, no. No, please. No, don't talk to the sound. Tong sahur kombinasyon. Nah, I got one. We need a Glorbo Pro 2 Drello. Watch if there is a Glorbo Pro 2 Drello in her. I don't care if it takes ages.
Company fair.
Want to get a Glorbo Pro 2 Drello. So I can reward. May tungtong sahur pa doon. Yeah, break it down, yo. Now, where is it? Ah. They will make me some money. Sahur.
30 drop. 30 kiwi.
Go, grind. Go, come on. Grind, come on. Give me Glorbo.
30 drop. Chimpanzini bananini.
Glorbo. Nah.
Clearly Larry. Command.
Lego Camelo.
30 drop.
Rainbow. Go, come on. Okay. I'm stuck in here. Ah.
Clearly Larry. Bananito dolphine. Diamond 6-7.
Sheesh. He just got a 6-7.
Tito bandito.
What?
Rini na bombardino.
Bombardino.
Rini na bombardino.
Oh my god.
Orangutini anasi.
Hey, Sammy, don't. He is grinding. He is helping. He's helping me. My game is lagging. There's so many brain rot. No. Wait, I'm gonna get the Glorbo Pro 0. What? I'm gonna get this in here. Give me something good. Don't care, Sammy. Fuck you, Sammy. Catch.
Chimpanzini bananini.
Bro. 6-7.
Avocadini.
I don't care about the 6-7. I care about that Glorbo Frutadillo. I'm just minding around. Sammy is trying to kill me. Wala. Diba? Glorbo Frutadillo. Kung di man ka magpakita, wala na eh. Bubot na itaran. Hindi magpakita si Glorbo Frutadillo. Hindi magpakita. Daya.
Rini na bombardino.
Andre event. My game is lagging. Oh, 6 isok sa kulak. Judging the fact of this. Oh, isok sa kulak. Maranego. Isok sa kulak. Oh, why is there a Chalalero? Why is there a Chalalero? Mind these. What? Give me something good from that. Go mind it. I will steal it. But I'm gonna get that. Woo! Yo, let's go. What did you get? Whoa. You get some of the worst thing in the world of Kung Fu. Nah. Don't allow this thing. Nah, I'm stuck. Now I'm flying. Nah, dude. My bug? Am I a bug? Yeah. You're going to ban me where I'm cheating? I'm just flying around. Bruh. Oh, I'm back to normal again. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. Ah, I just got it. But I have a cocoa fun too. I have a fun too. Don't who cares? Nah, I'm right. I don't care about it. Nobody cares about it. I don't care. Nah. Sammy. No, Sammy, please. No, Sammy. I care about this. Please, Sammy. Please, Sammy. Please, Sammy. Sammy, please. Putik ina mo, Sammy. Please, Sammy. I got it. You are just a loser. There is just a lavata. Tulog! Nani? I did not get any. Oh, glorbo, Brotolino! Thank you! Thank you! Salamagat ho! Salamagat ho! By Fuse Machine. Salamagat ho! Secret lucky block. What do you want to give me? Bombine Gugazine. He got a secret lucky block. Tagina, di maigo. Di siya maigo agad. He's jumping. Run. Sammy just got frozen. No, run. Rondo, run. Bro! Cheater! Teleported into his base. Nah, cheater. That's a cheater. I saw a cheater in my eyes. A cheater is a cheater. Nothing can stop it. Wait. Bananine 67. Oh wait. I want this. I can steal it. Yeah. Sammy, why are you doing this? Sammy, why are you doing this? Sammy. I want this. Yes, Sammy. I want this. I'm gonna go in there. Don't ask. What am I doing? Mind this thing.